Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to insert PDF file on Google Sheet cells. So guys, what you have to do, the first step you need to do, make sure your PDF and upload it on Google Drive. And for example, this is my PDF. Click this one, copy link. As you can see here, guys, click copy link, share and copy link, and go to Google Sheet spreadsheet, as you can see here. And from here, click on the mouse, and after that, click insert link. And from here, just copy your link of the PDF. You will upload it on Google Drive. This is PDF. And after that, click on apply from here. And this is your PDF, guys, uploaded successfully without any problem, and search on Google Sheet or spreadsheet. So guys, I hope this video for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon. Keep watching, guys.